Hello, this is Lucy. Hello. It's flower blooming season, so let's cut a flower. We will need to use basic folding method 3. The pattern repeats 6 times in a circle. If you would like to see a more detailed folding method, the link is below this video. Okay, pattern is on the left. When we start cutting, remember, and always remember, start with the inside details. Just in case, if you mess up, you still can save your artwork by changing the design of other details or outlines. As you see, today's pattern looks a little difficult with all these small saw tools. So the trick is use several cuts. You don't need to twist your scissors, just as easy as this. Now, which color will be our lucky color today? If you don't know where to drop your color, anywhere, follow your heart and do it quickly. Done! So we made a cool flower today. If you like it and want to see more pattern and color, subscribe now so you won't miss it. And tell me any color combination you would like to see. I will try it. Alright, see you next Tuesday.